I'm Donald Bell for Cool Tools, and in this video I'm going to show you this 6-inch Vise Grip C-clamp. This is great for gluing things up or welding things together. I got it for around $12 on Amazon. I am a novice welder, and I think one of the most surprising things about welding when you're new to it is how much time you spend clamping down your workpieces before you even bother turning the welder on. Traditional C-clamps are a great way to do this, but you spend a lot of time winding them open and closed. These Vise Grip C-clamps come in a variety of sizes. With this, you can use the adjustment screw to dial in the fit and then squeeze to lock it in. The adjustment screw also has a hex socket if you really want to squeeze it down tight after locking it down. Best of all, it releases with just a gentle push, and so long as the material you're working with is all about the same thickness, you can use the same setting over and over to quickly lock things down and save a lot of time. Now, even if you're not a welder, so long as you have a work table with a lip on it, you can use these to quickly clamp something to your table. They also work great for clamping together small things you've glued together. That's the Vise Grip Locking C-clamp. You can find a link to it in the description, and you can see thousands of reader recommended tools like these at cool-tools.org.